I don't know. The window's open. Yeah, it's still there.
How do we get it out?
Okay, I'll do it. You fucking idiot! Go out the fucking window! Go down more. Retard bird! Oh my god.